Welcome to Teaching and Curriculum Science. We're going to look now at some of the things we'll do during the course. We'll be building on what you learned last year about schools, about the standards and testing, and about best practices science. You also began working with technology. Teaching and curriculum extends that learning, but really focuses on the classroom. You'll be in collaborative groups, so if you're not teaching yet, you'll still be working with a teacher. We'll continue with the same themes, but we're going to introduce the concept of a narrative, and narrative will be an organizing construct within which you'll do your unit. And 21st century technologies are not an add-in, they are the core of how we'll communicate. Right from the start, you're going to work in collaborative groups, and we're going to need a social network. Consequently, I've asked you all to get a Gmail account that you're willing to share within the class. You'll also be making your own YouTubes, and you'll be using them to do things like show people how to use data probes in your classes. So you're going to become expert at that as well. In addition to making your own website, you're going to be using an example website, and we'll be developing a unit. This one's called a humanitarian unit because you're going to make your own narrative. And as you can see in this website, there are lessons that are built in that can serve as examples. I'm clicking on one. At the top, you'll have links to many useful tools. I've also created a class website where you'll have tutorials that can help you with all of these technologies that we'll be using. There's also a question and answer section within the class website itself where you can comment and help each other with learning more about the technology. You'll be building mind maps too to help you organize your work and to share with others. This happens to be a very large mind map that I've created, and within it I saved many materials, links, and I've also saved little explanations, so these can be very helpful. You'll be using e-bookmarking too, which is a very useful way to save good websites as you find them, good readings, and you can easily tag and save these and share them with others. We'll be also meeting and having discussion groups and breakout teams in Serve, which is a private island that we'll be using as a three-dimensional space. I'm looking forward to working with all of you. Your contribution is going to be very important to making this a successful class. See you soon.